Hi guys, here's my version of unboxing iPhone 14. I pre-ordered the iPhone 14 Pro Max 1TB and unboxed it on same day it was launched. Unboxing iPhone 14 this time, not needing any tools to open the packaging. There was a lot of discussions about the iPhone 14, including all new wide camera, satellite connections, automatic crash detections that might lend a lifeline if you're lost on a cliff or get a car accident with nobody around. After a month, I got an opportunity to spend a little time with my iPhone 14 Pro Max. My takeaway, there are a few real technology upgrades here. Goodbye notch and hello dynamic island. I have been grousing for years about the notch on the top of the iPhone screen that holds the camera and Face ID sensor. So just for the iPhone 14 Pro models, Apple replaced it with a pill shape that's cut right into the screen. In the last 2 years, Apple has made enough changes to features including battery life, performance, screen quality, cameras, and durability to merit buying a new iPhone. But on the safe side, I just want to upgrade my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This year's model also gets a refreshed main camera and noticeably improved front camera. Well, I will share with you some of my outdoor videos that I took from iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.